love me, you better love me. You need to love me, girl, gonna love me. I wanna love you, girl, let me love you. I'm trying to love you, I wanna love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Fly Natural here, and I'm back with another video. And welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Terry, aka the Fly Natural, and on my channel we talk about locks, entrepreneurships, DIYs, and I also do some vlogs for you guys. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to join the family here and subscribe. So today's video is going to be a Bantu knot out video. So if you guys haven't checked out my latest video, which I did my Bantu knots, I will leave that down below. But this video will be me just taking them out to see if I can get a cute style after taking out a cute style, because I'm all for the 2-for-1 styles around these parts. So at this point, my Bantu knots have been up for about 4 days. And believe me, I don't never like having my hair up, so having them in these Bantu knots for 4 days is completely different for me. It's crazy to sleep on, and I got a headache the first day, terrible headache, but the look itself was just bomb. But now it's time to take them down so we can see what we're working with. Okay, so I took out the gold cord and the beading that I had on it. The beads that I had in the front had to come down because they shouldn't have went there. I was trying to be cute, shouldn't have put those there too close to my edge line. Do not recommend. And then the gold thread just came out because I was kind of tired of that look after a couple days. But here is what my Bantu knots are looking like now. I had two come down in the back. I put them back up, but I'm not sure how they're gonna look. Let's just take it down and see how it goes. Alright guys, this is the final look. She is serving major body, and I will say that even though it's not the look that I was envisioning in my head for when I took down the Bantu knots, I really do like it. It's really nice. Let me give you guys a 360 so you can see what it all looks like. The back kind of had like a section here that doesn't have any curl pattern to it or anything because this Bantu knot fell. But overall, I definitely love the look. I will possibly do it again, but make the Bantu knot smaller so I can have a tighter curl once I take them out. But I definitely like it. You guys, let me know down in the comments below. Are you feeling this look? Have you done a Bantu knot out before? Let me know down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.